Mama wakwaba wafreme ajwa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Sorry for that, the first one.
No problem. I'm Ahmed. I'm calling from Saudi Arabia.
Oh, beautiful, Ahmed, Saudi Arabia. Thank you so much for the call. What is your view?
Yes. I am surprised that the NDC are comparing Baumia and John Mahama in terms of credibility. It's quite appalling because when it comes to what is credibility itself, credibility, what is credibility? The word credibility means
trustworthiness.
Trustworthiness. Yes. Right?
Yes.
So who is more trustworthy between Baumia and John Mahama?
Someone who is dependable.
They say Baumia promised. They say Baumia promised and he doesn't deliver.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Yes. John Mahama promised. John Mahama promised work for all youth in Ghana, yet we had unemployment graduates under his tenure of office. Baumia came and made Unemployment Graduate Association. He dismantled it with NAPCO and also other avenues of employment, isn't it?
Yeah.
So who is more credible? Well, John Mahama promised a 24-hour 7 lighting system. Yet what we had was doing so throughout his tenure. Baumia came and restored the doom so. Now he's talking about 24-hour economy because of Baumia's credibility. He promised, John Mahama promised radio stations in all the district assemblies in Ghana. Yet we had none. So who is more credible between John Mahama and Baumia? So the NDC should come back again. They should come back again. They should revise their route and come back again because they are going to fall flat. Hello?
Yeah, Ahmed, I'm listening to you.
Yeah. So they should come back again. They should go and revise their route. Adam Agbana you see, it's a template that they have. They always give it to them as a template. When you go, just stick to this. That is it. No matter what is it, don't listen to them. Just stick to the template. So that is the template that they are working on.
Oh, okay.
John Mahama, yes, it's a template. And he's always a template of lies here and there. John Mahama has been a vice president before. Baumia is now a vice president. Baumia has no single corruption issue attached to him. What about John Mahama? Credibility is about integrity.
Yeah.
So, John Mahama has integrity on the issue of corruption? No. Capital no. Baumia has never been indicted, has never been issued a white paper, has never been investigated. He was investigated under his tenure as a vice president. So credibility here, Baumia is far ahead of him.
Thank you.
Come to competence level. John Mahama cannot think outside the box. He works with templates. He can't think outside the box. Come on, we are waiting for them to 2024, inshallah.
Thank you, Mr. Ahmed from Saudi Arabia.
Thank you.
I appreciate your call.
Thank you very much.
All right. You can also call. The number is brought as boxes to someone who promised less but brought more. That is George Bompo. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, hello, sweetheart.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Please, your name and where you're calling from.
My name is Esther. I'm calling from UK.
Oh, of course, Esther, UK. Welcome, sweetheart. How are you?
Yeah, thank you. I'm all right, my darling.
Good. Let's hear from you. Yeah. Yeah.
Papa we no kure enenni o yem papa me medina sem no kure na me so show you be do what me medina sem ababro me me ye me hu say wa ba kama na me ko
Did I see it?
Since ye come cry, ye papa, Baumia. Only take on bad ticket be as on the first time over at a bad bearer in so what I say. Now what you say, ye papa do Mahama. Supposed to be a what gun be a what meaning now so way incompetent. Supposed to be a what gun be a what it's done. It's only greedy person and the baby who at the papa warrior. Because on Bumu Ghana for it doesn't respect none of you. So Bumu, because they respect the mama, no one's mentioned. Yeah, no Bruno Moses son, a biaba, no what show they say. Because what we Bonnie and I will both no Koyan. I'm so lucky to our father deal. Now, what do you want compare by me? Obia said the structure, or could have Johnny Bema was since you own your man found one. One more die, I didn't know also complete a diet, or short you can't say digitalization would die, or a criminal or better. Now, would you know the buy? Let the moon some truffle and come cry, and a more come cry. And can you set down a brother you? Just obi bet now, politicians be bet now. You guys cannot ask them a question. And once from other two from them, now can name me or Ghana? Now we use some trolling a politician be Bamanima. We can questions. But we go for trouble to go to man. No, but now no to pass as one more. And we Ghana.
Now, they are there for you. Meeting baby. Why don't you put a Makakoji?
After done, put them a US film, master what was that to say, and touch you with him for one when you want.
But I say, we're going to go here.
We are saying no credit. A common give me 20 years, Juma. A woman of a way, what the city as back here. This is Ghana and a constitution. A year of full constitution, but also with the Zimda. You can that woman start what. Try so what's other funny as the president, and can they ask me as what's the name and to be true? So what them person is certain. If you be true, now or ever succeed a yipioma, let's move in and what will be winning a quarter bed boy winning swap or coffee with empty handed. Sad year way, with a sunny back Ghana. Let cook lawyer need and need 1 year should say. Sad year way if we can abolish it. In Ghana Constitution, because a sitting a hamiwa bridge they have been because of what or different. What about the general with them? Nana Kufa Dubai. It was a near month. Last week in Kwandong, we come on near minimum I say. Yes, the cost why inflation near the interest rate at the cost of and so Ghana for Montio, yeah, Monquat Sky News, Monco BBC News, UK, Namonco News, what we, Namonjaba with me, and then another what woman. They say, what uncle flew away, one swamp woman from Hammer, but Selma Shay, Piamobu. Yeah, winning fire, what? We are Punaya for Ghana for moving.
Esther, Mama, brave.